The Digitize line string lets me create a multi-segment line with one or more elevations by streaming the points. So what I can do is add points as I hold down the digitizer button and move the puck, and then I can release it at the end. For basically simpler line strings, I can just pick individual points. So kind of what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a curb line. So I'm going to do the line string, and I'm going to call this, we'll call this curbing. And I'm going to set the layer on curbs, and I'm going to start my elevation here at 892. So do 892, and I'm going to pick my first point, and that first point will be, let's say, right here. So you can see that it sets 892 at that particular point. So then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to pick this point, and it's going to prompt me, or I can enter in an elevation. So this will be 890, and then I'll tab down to the next point here, and then when I click on this point, you'll see that it sets that point there as 890. So I'm going to come up here and make this 888, and then I'm going to tab down and I'm going to come over, I'm going to make this this point here, so it makes that 888, and I'm going to repeat that process to do 886, and we'll tab down and I'll hit this point here. So again, you can see it's actually zooming me as well, so I don't have to worry about zooming. So if I do 884 for this point here, I'm going to tab down and pick that next point there. So it's putting in the point and its elevation. So I'm digitizing a 3D line string using the digitize line string command.